Do you want to make your image as an SD image or improve the size of your image? If yes, then watch this video till the end. To do this process, you need to open one link, imageupscaler.com. So I will also share you this link in the description of this video. So after opening it, just drag and drop your image here. So I will select this image. So this is my image only. So you can see here the image size is 402 KB, right? So this is a normal image. So I will just click on start. It will take a few seconds to complete it. Now it is done. You can click on download. Once it is done, right click on this and click on save as, and you can save the image. So let's check the image now in my desktop. You can see it is converted to 6.1 MB. So it is also looking brighter. You can see the image. I will also show you the original image. The size is absolutely improved, and you can see it has enhanced. You can see this is original image and this is the converted image. So you can see the improvement. So I hope now you will be able to convert your images into SD size. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button friends and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, take care.